Imagine hiccuping for 68 years straight. Charles Osborne did just that, setting the record for the longest hiccuping spree in history. It all started one day in 1922, when a seemingly ordinary fall triggered this relentless rhythm that would accompany him until 1990. Doctors were baffled, unable to find a cure as he continued to hiccup an estimated 430 million times over nearly 7 decades. Despite this constant interruption, Osborne managed to live a relatively normal life, adapting to his condition with resilience and humor. His story is a testament to the human spirit's ability to endure the unthinkable.